Hey everybody, what's up, what's up, what's up? It's me, your homegirl Adosha Wright, welcoming you to my YouTube channel. Guess what, guys? I have a wonderful, wonderful follow-up video in the spirit of me as the resident RevAir expert. That's right, guys. I'm doing a follow-up video about long hair using the RevAir. Now, I know some of you guys really want long hair, and I hear about all of these challenges that people are taking to achieve long hair, and they're feeling a little frustrated. So I want you guys to watch this video because you know that I am always about what? You read it. Never, ever. This time I put ever. Please, guys, never, ever, ever give up on your hair. Achieving long hair is very, very doable, especially when you are following advice from experts who are vetted and vested into you, the industry, and of course, your hair. So as usual, you know I'm going to tell everybody to never fear. Why? Because hair help is here. This is what I am here for. This is exactly why I upload these videos. Also, I understand that, watching these videos can just rock your nerves, but I want to remind everyone that on this platform, guess what? You read it again. This is a no hair shaming zone. So please be kind online when you are making comments about the videos. And also, if you can, take a moment right now to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And of course, you can hit that little bell icon so you will know, wait a minute, y'all. It's Kilolo, the resident RevAir expert. She's uploading another video. So we are going to get this video started with the experts of Wella about the science of lipids on the hair. This video will set the tone for the video.
The beauty of your hair starts with one of its most essential elements, lipids, the key to healthy feeling hair that lasts. They create a protective shield, but more importantly, they work at the core of your hair, like cement that holds the blocks of keratin together. With daily wear, we lose lipids, making the hair dull, porous and weak. System Professional Lipid Code technology is enriched with hair-identical lipids that penetrate deep to regenerate from the core. The result? Softer, shinier hair that's more resistant against breakage from the inside out.
Okay, guys, this is exactly why you want to get the RevAir. That video right there pretty much captures everything that I'm about to tell you in a nutshell. The RevAir helps with the process of what? Protecting the lipids on the hair. So this is another video of my guest who I'm doing a follow-up video on. So you're going to see how much longer her hair has gotten in 8 months, just 8 months. You guys are going to see like, wow, look at her hair. Now remember, the foundation of the video is about what? Lipids. So in this video, I want you guys to see what's really happening with hair as it gets longer. And so the purpose of the RevAir is to help preserve the lipids. Now remember, no two heads of hair are alike. And if your goal is to have longer hair, you want to use a device like RevAir. Now I have my tension setting on 3. That's why my fingers was up, because you don't have to have the tension setting up really, really high. Also, the video is demonstrating exactly what's happening to hair as it gets longer. So you can see in the video that her ends are looking just a little softer, and that's the natural occurrence of what happens to hair as it gets longer, because you lose lipids from the hair. Now with the device, you can change the temperature and you can go high heat, no heat, to low heat. So this video is capturing the science of the hair, so we have the experts at Wella, you have the experts here over at RevAir, and we are all trying to show you that long hair is very achievable when you respect the hair as it gets longer. And the lipids is what's going to be compromised as the hair gets longer. So I'm getting a little tongue twisted here because the information is so exciting. So again, longer hair is about preserving the lipids. And when you use the RevAir device, you're going to get just that. Now I'm going to press the back of her hair out at the nape because the RevAir can't do that, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes we just got to go old school. So here I'm going to press the nape of her hair out. I'm styling her hair using my products. This is called Ledoux, and this is a thermal protectant. You don't have to have the heat up really high. So when you're using the RevAir device, these are some of the benefits, the added bonuses that, you may not capture or see in every video. But this is my job as the resident expert to help you guys get, the full Monty, the science, the behind the scenes of what it takes to really have this device work to your advantage, as well as some of the benefits. So we can see that as the hair gets longer, it's older. And it's really important to use a device like the RevAir because when you are trying to achieve the long length or work with those challenges, you can really make it happen, by using the RevAir and, of course, the right products. So here is another product in my line. It's called the amethyst oil, and it's going to do what? Help protect the ends. That's right. So rub it all over, and then you're going to apply it, throughout the hair. Now, make sure that when you are using the device that you follow the manufacturer's instructions. So first and foremost with the RevAir, you have to make sure that your hair is clean and you're going to use small subsections, and then you can follow up and style as you want to. You do not have to always flat iron your hair, but in this video we did. So now we're going to just shape her ends up because remember, in the beginning of the video, the experts over at Wella is sharing with everyone exactly what happens to hair as it gets longer. There is nothing you can do to prevent the loss of lipids because it is a natural occurrence on the hair as it gets longer. And using the RevAir device, it eliminates all tugging, all pulling, which both tugging and pulling, it further, it exacerbates the process of hair losing lipids. When you use the RevAir device, you're going to minimize that, by 80%. So we have to keep the ends shaped up. You have to use the right products. You have to use the right tools. And you have to use the right techniques. So you can click on the link. I do have the description to the Wella brand in the video. So all you have to do is just click on the link and you can buy that product to help. But remember, that's just one step. One principle, that would be the right products. The right tool is definitely going to be your RevAir device. You could buy the product, but if you don't have the right tool or the right technique, then you'll be upset. So here you can see we are going to take off the ends of those, of the hair because remember, lipids get lost. So I know a lot of people are so afraid to get the hair cut, but you have to have a precision cut where you are going, throughout the entire head of hair to do what? Get them ends off. See that right there? That's it. That's what naturally happens. You cannot stop that. So you can rewind the video and watch it again, or you can just simply scroll up and down through the videos right here on this platform, and you can learn a lot more about how to achieve longer hair. So this is my guest, and in 8 months, just 8 months, she has achieved approximately 2.5 more inches on her hair using the RevAir. Now, you don't get instant growth, so you only get about 1/4 of an inch per month, but she's been able to achieve longer hair in just 8 months, and you have to admit that looks absolutely phenomenal. This is the science of RevAir. This is the science of long hair. Longer hair naturally loses lipids. You're going to have to up the ante on what? Those haircuts. Get those ends shaped up more often. You want to get a precision cut. Avoid those free trims. You want that professional stylist, or if you're doing it yourself at home, it's okay. Just make sure you're going throughout the entire head of hair to shape the hair up, and I promise you, you will be impressed. So I am a staunch supporter of the RevAir. This is the long hair that a lot of people are looking for. Some people don't want it as long as hers. Some people actually want it longer, but on everything I own, all that equipment in that salon, even that little RevAir in the back, I'm telling you, the RevAir device, it works. It is safe for hair. It respects the process of what naturally happens to hair as it gets longer. There's no way to avoid some damage on the hair, so you want to minimize it. And so when you use the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques, then this right here can be yours. All you have to do is follow the simple 3 principles. Again, the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques. And in 8 months, you can more than likely have about 2, maybe even 3 inches of your own hair. So longer hair is not just about following challenges. Long hair is not just about doing the latest trend. Long hair is about understanding what lipids get lost as the hair gets longer, and you have to use the right products, the right tools, and the right techniques. The RevAir device is guaranteed to give you just that. All right, guys, visit myrevair.com and get yours today. They have some great deals. By the way, I just want to say, I want justice for Ahmaud Arbery and his family. He is a wonderful, or he was a wonderful young man who was gunned down unjustly. And so I just pray for justice for Ahmaud Arbery and his family. Okay? So if you are interested in getting the right hair care products, also if you want to buy either of my books, Curly Hair Adventures or What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, as well as a line from a color from my line of hair care products called the Wright Polish. You know what? All you have to do is shop on Amazon at LaDosha Wright, and you can get anything that you're looking for in the right brand. Also, check out my check out my podcast at What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon. Email me at ladoshaw@yahoo.com to receive your very own free PDF hair and scalp journal. You can also visit me on all the other social media platforms at LaDosha Wright. Peace, love, and hair. And if you ain't got no hair, don't want no hair, can't stand hair, y'all know the rest. Then rub your beautiful bald head. Deuces.